My name is Peter and I'll help you go and think about Google Analytics and move to Google Analytics 4 in a couple of next sessions. So you are probably have the universal analytics that looks like this. And you have a banner here at the top of the analytics telling you that you have to switch now. The switch can be pretty easy. Let's go and see how it works. You just click here to let's go. And then it asks you, do you want to create a new Google Analytics 4 property? Or if you have created a separate Google Analytics property for this site in the past, you can merge those two together. You probably haven't, so you just click, I want to create a new Google Analytics property. What's going to happen is Google is going to create a property. It's also going to copy some of the basic settings, but it's not going to copy your goals. It's not going to copy your filters. So most of the stuff is not going to transfer. What is also going to turn on is enhanced measurement. And this is something you want to have. And of course, you want to enable that data collection using your existing global site tags. What does that mean? It means that you don't have to implement a new Google Analytics code to your website. You can use the old one. Now we have the property already created. You can just go to GA4. Is that everything really looks very different. Here, see, the data has started to come in from my website. We have different metrics. The metrics that we used to know, bounce rate, time on site, views, are not here anymore. We have different menus. We still have acquisition, but everything else in here is different. And the menus, the reports are completely different, right? So we have to take time and also learn what are the new metrics. We have a session on that later, but we also have to learn how to use the new Google Analytics.